Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the RAZOKO wireless over irrigator for Ds. It's an over irrigator electric tooth cleaner with 4 modes and 3 gears. IPX7 waterproof, it's portable. You can recharge it by using a USB cable and of course a power supply like a computer or a laptop or your AC adapter from a smartphone or a power bank, for example. So it makes you really mobile with that device here. This rechargeable water dental floss is for home use and, of course, for vacation and business trips. So for traveling too. We have here a unique, innovative technology. The RAZOKO wireless water tooth floss cleaner has extensively upgraded pulsation technology with strong performance. It can deliver high-pressure water pulses with a frequency of 1,400 up to 1,800 times per minute. The water pressure can reach 60 to 130 psi. It can deeply clean the teeth, effectively remove food residues, and also solve other dental problems such as yellow teeth, bleeding gums, and brass and plaque. We have 4 cleaning modes and a manual and an automatic mode. The RAZOKO handheld electric water dental floss cleaner has 4 cleaning modes. That means progressive, gentle spraying, strong spraying, and pulsating spraying. Each mode can be selected manually or automatically. The 360 rotating water nozzle can meet 4 types of nozzle requirement for standard cleaning, gum massage, tongue plaque cleaning, and braces cleaning. The IPX7 waterproof level makes it waterproof. Both the inside and the outside of the RAZOKO Irrigator are designed with exclusive patented technology to achieve an IPX7 waterproof level. It can be used safely in the shower and provides us and our family a safe and comfortable oral care experience. And lightweight and portable. The new high-quality, unique portable wireless floss cleaner here has a size of 66mm to 49.5mm to 166mm and a large water tank with a capacity of 200ml. It is easy to disassemble and clean. It offers 4 types of interchangeable nozzles, which are included, 1 Type-C charging cable and 1 waterproof bag. The interior of the device body is equipped with another third compartment, which makes it easy to carry and also meet daily needs for home use, business trips, and of course for traveling. This is a really cool cordless portable water flosser. The flosser, of course, to reduce the risk of electrocution. We always unplug the product after using. We do not handle plug with wet hands. We do not place it on drop into water or other liquids. We do not use it while bathing. We do not place or store the product where it can drop or be pulled into a tube or sink. We do not reach for a product that has fallen into water and unplug immediately. We check the power supply cord for damage before the first use and during the life of the product. Of course, the product itself is waterproof, IPX7, but if you connect it to a USB supply, you have to look at important things. This is the water flosser C200. It comes in 200ml reservoir capacity. The water pressure is from 60 up to 140 psi. The frequency is 1,600 times per minute. The nozzle diameter is 0.06mm. The flossing mode is soft, pulse, standard, and strong. The rated input is 5 volt for USB and 5 watt is rated the power. The battery capacity is with 1,200 milliampere. Classified the charging port is Type-C. The waterproof level is IPX7. The time of long lasting is about 35 times. That means 1 minute per time or per repeating. That means it will be at your side for an half hour. And this is enough to clean your teeth. We have a standard nozzle. We can use this for close to the gap between teeth, suitable for daily use, of course. We have the periodontal pocket nozzle, close to the gap of the teeth and suitable for people with sensitive gum use. Then we have the orthodontic nozzle. It can close to the gap between teeth to clean and washable braces, suitable for orthodontic people. Then we have a tongue cleaner nozzle. Effectively remove tongue moss to avoid bacteria from entering to the body. It's really easy to get it into position and remove it, because there is a removing button. This we have to push, then we can remove the nozzle easily. To attach the nozzle, push it in position. We have a mode button. We adjust soft, standard, pull, strong mode and switch to manual flossing mode with the mode button. We have the flossing mode indicator. This will show us some information about which mode we are using right now. Then we have a reservoir. This stores water for you. Oh yeah, and water you will need, of course. Then we have the flossing mode indicator, the mode button. This is all what we need. And of course, we can start and stop the power and flossing button. This makes the water spray, and it makes it off if you does not need it anymore. All functions are included, so unique innovative technology. Trickled cordless water flosser has comprehensively upgraded the pulsation technology with stronger power. It can provide us high-pressure water pulse with up to 1,800 times per minute. The water pressure can reach up to 130 psi. It can clean the teeth deeply, remove food residues effectively, and also solve other tooth problems such as yellow teeth, bleeding gums, bad breath, and dental plaque, etc. This is a professional oral cleaning set for us. Nearly everything is included, and it's mobile. It's a cordless portable water flosser by RAZOKO. Really cool for traveling and, of course, for the home use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!